So one thing about going live is that as you connect live, it checks connection and it starts notifying people, but you are already there, so you wonder what to do. Hi Abin. Som Singh, कैसे हो आप? So today we are going to know all about dance. Live the life of dance with Rajat. Rajat has done a lot of dance stuff, from choreographing songs to choreographing Broadway shows, and he himself has participated in a lot of dance shows, like Just Dance was a show where he had participated in, and he loves to dance. He loves to make people dance. And he's also been having a lot of dance sessions, live dance sessions, so you can like follow him and enjoy dance. So, today you can ask him all about dancing. Hi Mansi. I hope all of you have questions ready to ask Rajat. And hello Som Singh. Hello Shah Choku Sumantu Srivastav. And Rajat Dev has said hi. He has also, I think, sent his request. So we should have Rajat Dev. Okay, let me just join Rajat Dev so that I can ask him all about dancing. And I have sent out.
Hello, what's up, Golu?
Welcome to the
Hi, Golu. Thank you so much. I hope you can see me. I'm just trying to adjust this. Okay, I think this is fine. Wait. टेढ़ा मेढ़ा है, एंगल ठीक नहीं है. अब ठीक है? Is this good? Is this good? Okay, lovely. So good to see you. And this, मतलब like you stay 3 buildings away from my building.
बट सिर्फ मेरे बालकनी से तेरा टेरेस नहीं दिख सकता, तो फिर मैं गा नहीं सकती. What song would you sing if I would have come on the balcony? What song would you sing and dance on? अगर मैं तुझे टेरेस पे देख लेती.
टेरेस पे देख लेती तो मैं यहाँ तू कहाँ, जिंदगी है कहाँ, या फिर कुछ और ना ऐसे. ये तो बहुत एकदम ये तो नहीं दिखे वैसा वाला गाना हो गया. सॉरी. क्या होना चाहिए? तू गा दे कुछ. अरे वो कुछ है क्या ऐसे छत पे? अरे वो नहीं, छोड़, जान दे. याद नहीं आ रहा है. हाँ वही. Anyways, what's up? Hi everyone.
So everyone is waiting to know all about your so many years of dancing, because you're literally living to dance and you're having a lot of dance sessions right now. So how did you start? Like, how did you get into dancing?
That's one question which is being asked every time, and I love the process because dancing was very dear to me since childhood. तो बचपन से ही वो नाचने का शौक है, and I've participated in a lot of inter-school competitions, and I've danced every year in my school. So that was one thing I made sure that I participate in all the sports events. I dance. I used to sing. I used to participate in elocution competitions and stuff because I was regular with these stuff. But dance was one thing which I was like very sure कि मुझे यही करना है. And yeah, that's how it all started from school. And I think I was in 12th board exams where I did my first professional show with one of a choreographer. तो मैं board exams के बीच में bunk नहीं, as in छुट्टी थी 2 दिन की. I had gone for a show. I did a show during my board exams. So that's how dear dance is to me.
And you've also done so many shows. Instead, अभी किसी ने Vivek suggested a song कि balcony से you could sing मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की में एक
चांद. Exactly. See, मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की में एक चांद सा टुकड़ा रहता है, आगे का लाइन मुझे याद नहीं, बस उखड़ा रहता है. Hi, Mrinal. Okay, I think she's saying hi to you.
No, she's saying hi to you. You're a star.
Okay, anyways, अरे चलो ठीक है, हम भी हाई कर देते लोगों को.
So Raji, you have been doing a lot of shows. You had participated
in a
show called Just Dance, right?
Yes.
So tell us, that was the first TV show that you did before Jhalak also.
Yes, I had done Boogie Woogie, which is long time
Oh,
back.
okay.
I was in my school days, yeah. So I had participated with a group called Technozone. We were a part of like four people in the group, and we won the competition. And that was the first time when I appeared on television. Yeah, Just Dance being a more famous new generation show, but किसी को याद नहीं बात ठीक है. Yeah, that was the
Okay.
first time when I actually participated in a dance competition show with Ritik being the judge, Farah Khan and Webby Merchant. After that, I did Jhalak Dikhla Ja.
And Jhalak Dikhla Ja, how many seasons did you do?
I did 3 seasons, and the last season I did, and the show got shut.
Because you had anyway decided मैं अभी इसके बाद नहीं करने वाला हूँ.
नहीं करूँगा यार. I thought I
Because I
decided.
remember.
Just a minute. I think somebody's out. Let me check. Hold on.
कौन कौन के जान पे कौन आया है रवि के घर पे?
अरे वो so I have cats at home, and my neighbor also has cat. My baby, come here. She's not coming. Cats, only they
Yeah.
will only come when they want to. So she's got
So
some cat food.
उसके वजह से क्वारंटाइन पे कोई आया है ठक ठक करने. Are you sure वही है?
Hmm.
Right? Cat food ही है ना?
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
So tell us
Cat
your
food ही है.
favorite memory when the first time you won Boogie Woogie. What was the feeling like since it was the first TV show and obviously you all won. And back then Boogie Woogie was like super big.
Like the best. Yeah. I was very excited. I mean, we all were crying. I think as kids we were so happy to be winning that award and stuff. And we all had a great time. I think that was one show which made us realize that you work really hard to win something. I mean, it's just not because we auditioned more than 3-4 times where we never got selected. And that was the first time when we got like after doing auditions for 3-4 times we got selected, and then we decided, bro, this we have to kill this. And चार हम लौंडे थे, हम लोगों ने मतलब आग लगा दी स्टेज पे.
कौन से
तो
गाने पे
it's been
डांस
a
किया था याद है?
हमने या 100% हमने किया था वो गाना. देखा ना है रे सोचा ना है रे रख दी निशाने पे जान तारा कदमों में तेरे निकले मेरा दम है बस यही अरमान. मजा आ गया था.
I can see the smile today also, though it's been so
हाँ
many
हाँ
years.
हाँ हाँ. वो हमको स्टेप भी याद है. ऐसे ऐसे था. ए देखा ना है रे सोचा ना है रे रख दी निशाने पे. बहुत सिंपल सिंपल था लेकिन उस टाइम के लिए बहुत अमेजिंग था.
I am sure. I keep seeing your dance live sessions now, or you just started, and it's been I think 2 sessions you've done now.
Yeah,
And
yeah. I did
एक
2
एक
sessions.
देख के मतलब थोड़े हम नॉर्मल लोगों के लिए भी ऐसे सिंपल वाले कुछ कर ले कि हम भी लाइव सेशंस अटेंड कर सके, because we attend. It's fun to see you dance. It's fun to see the
But
rest
then
who
you
do
all
the challenge. But
and then you just log off ना. देखा
no,
अरे
I
ये
see
बहुत
the
डिफिकल्ट
whole
है,
thing.
हमसे ना हो पाई.
नहीं, I see the whole thing and I'm like कुछ हमारे जैसे कि simple वाले कुछ जो हम भी कर सकें, something like how you did in देखा ना.
I am actually thinking of doing something like for everyone who can dance, who want to dance. Basically, the reason I did little complicated and little for my purpose because I wanted to dance first thing, and then I thought कि मैं खुद कितना करूँ, मतलब ना आईना है यहाँ पर. So I said कि चलो कुछ लोगों को सिखा ही देता हूँ. Maybe कुछ लोगों को मजा आ जाए. And then I was very surprised to see the reactions from everyone because everyone like legit they rehearsed, they sent me videos and stuff like
Yeah,
that. I was
yeah.
like, bro, this is
We've
cool.
seen on
I
your
mean, I should.
stories.
Yeah, I mean, I wasn't sure कि ऐसा कुछ होगा, but काफी लोग आए, and then there been lot of people who've been asking me कि please teach, please do some sessions, please give workshops. वो कर नहीं पा रहा था is because we were busy doing our own work in the industry. तो time नहीं मिलता. You know how it is. For a project we take like 20 days prep, rehearsals, फिर shoot, और फिर वो खत्म होने के बाद थोड़ी हमें सांस मिलती है तो हम थोड़ा ब्रेक टाइप्स ले लेते. बट दिस वाज द टाइम वेयर आई फेल्ट कि अच्छा ये राइट टाइम है. जो लोग मुझे बोल रहे थे करो करो सिखाओ कुछ, मैंने कहा चलो सही बात है, यही टाइम है, सिखा देता हूँ. तो फर्स्ट 2 सेशंस मैंने अपने जॉनर का रखा, मुझे जो पसंद है वो. बट मैं अभी जैसे आपने कहा कि आपको भी करना है, एंड
Simple
देन आई
वाले,
गॉट
हाँ.
या सिंपल फन. इट शुड बी मोर ऑफ अ फन वाला सेशन,
Enjoying. हाँ, like how
एंजॉयिंग वाला
usually when
सेशन.
I enjoy
हाँ अभी
dance with you generally.
राइट. राइट व्हेन वी पार्टी एंड ऑल, हम लोग गाना बजा के
Exactly.
चिल करते, एंजॉय करते, तो वो मैं करूंगा, बट जस्ट टू मेक श्योर दैट आई डोंट डू इट इन द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम ओनली, ताकि मुझे कॉल ना आ जाए लोग दोस्तों के कि भाई तू क्या कर रहा है, तुझे क्या हो गया, है ना?
ये वाले भी कर, क्योंकि ये जब हम देखते हैं ना, इट मोटिवेट्स यू दैट एट सम पॉइंट इन लाइफ यू वांट टू डांस लाइक दैट. लाइक आई विल नॉट लाई, आई डिड ट्राई. I saw the live session. I did try. I'm not lying. And then when I saw Vandana and all dancing, I'm like, अच्छा एक और try कर लेते हैं. But then obviously we are newly and freshers, नहीं हो पाया हमसे. So we
कोई
should
नहीं,
have
एक
two
ऐसा
live
ऐसा कुछ
sessions.
करेंगे.
We should have two live sessions. One for beginners, like totally beginners, and one obviously for pros like you and everyone around who wants.
अरे everyone is a pro now, like every video I see they all dance so well,
Yeah,
which is
each
good.
one of them, like every story was like wow.
Yeah,
एक से बढ़कर
yeah.
एक.
And I've realized there are so many dancers on Instagram.
Yeah.
मतलब
And TikTok.
हर, हाँ, टिकटॉक के बारे में बात ना ही करे तो बेहतर है.
True that. मुझे नहीं चाहिए कि हमारा लाइव सेशन बैन हो जाए, तो उसको हम साइड में ही रखते हैं.
नहीं, हम
back to
उसको
live
बैन करेंगे, हमारा नहीं. रजित देव फैन फ्रॉम झलक, विल यू एवर डू बिग बॉस? ओ माय गॉड. अरे वो मतलब अभी हम सब बिग बॉस ही खेल रहे बेसिकली.
I know सबके सब अटक गए हैं और टास्क का वेट करते रहते हैं कि अब
वी आर
नेक्स्ट टास्क
एक्चुअली
क्या है.
लिविंग द बिग बॉस लाइफ, बट क्या है, कुछ दिनों से टास्क आ नहीं रहा है, तो थोड़ा मजा ओके हो गया है. पहले मजा आया था.
तो
थाली बजाओ.
रचित, अभी
या
तुम्हारा नेक्स्ट टास्क है लाइव सेशन on a song which is some retro song for layman people, which has to be simple and nice.
ओके,
That's your
ठीक है,
next
तो ये
task in Big Boss.
I will put on this. I will suggest me songs, guys. Then let's see if I like some particular song which I feel कि हाँ ये वाला गाना मुझे मजा आएगा सिखाने में.
So
Please
everyone, please suggest Rajit which song you
suggest
all
me
want to
songs.
see him dance on, and
DM करो
which
मुझे.
song. DM करो, मैसेज करो, कमेंट करो, कुछ भी करो, पर
हाँ,
उसको गानों की लिस्ट भेजो ताकि उसकी नई लिस्ट लाइव सेशंस के लिए रेडी हो जाए.
राइट.
So
तीसरी
Raji,
मंजिल.
did you
इतना
think
रेट्रो.
कि you will teach live, मतलब ऐसे, generally it's always one on one and group classes and all of that, but did you ever think that you're gonna go live and do a digital teaching session? पहले कभी ऐसे
No,
thought आया था?
never. I was very away from social media. If must have seen, like
Yeah.
मैंने अकाउंट बहुत पहले बनाया था, and the amount of work that I do with actors and actress, जितना मैंने काम किया है शायद ही कुछ लोगों ने काम किया भी होगा. But I'm not that person who keeps on uploading my work and my this and my that.
Never.
I've been like the very चलो हमने किया ठीक है. But then I've realized कि the generation has changed. Nowadays everything is digital. Everything is on social media. It doesn't mean that you have to do shosha or anything, but you be like people want to know what's happening with you, or people like to know, like to learn. अब मैं अगर वर्कशॉप करूंगा तो मैं पेड वर्कशॉप करूंगा, तो लोग बेचारे आएंगे, पैसा देंगे. ये वाला एक मुझे अच्छा इसलिए लगा क्योंकि दिस इज फ्री. एंड जो कुछ छोटा मोटा नॉलेज है मेरे पास, जो मैं शेयर कर सकता हूँ, जिन लोगों को फ्री में सीखने मिल रहा है, और उससे मतलब बेस्ट चीज क्या हो सकता है. This is a free session, so just enjoy.
Yeah, like how you love dancing, you're making all of us love dancing right now, seeing your
Yes.
videos and
I got videos from my friends who's married, उनके बच्चे हो गए, but उन लोगों ने videos बना के डाले, और उन लोगों ने thanks लिखा कि you, like after watching your live session we were so inspired, and then we did learn the choreo, and then we performed. So which is a great feeling for me when somebody says like this. Hey Rajat, say something about Pooja Banerjee, Siddharth Shukla I don't know. I know Pooja Banerjee and Karishma Tanna. They both are very good friends to me.
Who
Sana
all
Irani
were
is
with
also
you?
a very good friend.
Raji, who all were with
My
you? You did
first
3
partner,
seasons, na?
yeah.
First partner from you?
First partner was Pooja Banerjee,
Okay.
and
So,
she's still
okay,
one of
first
my
में पगली, हमारी पूजा पगली के
Pagli.
बारे में share some lovely moments of Jhalak Dikhla. The first one अभी के लिए, like with Pooja Banerjee, what was the experience like? तेरा भी first था.
Yeah, मेरा भी first था. Pooja still keeps telling people that I made her cry every time. She just keeps telling everyone that I was so rude, I was so bad to her that I always made her cry. तो ये बात मैं गलत साबित करना चाहूंगा क्योंकि मैंने ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया है. She is
I
still
agree
a
with her.
very good friend to me. What, you
I
agree with
agree with her.
her?
Listen, there was a time,
No,
I will not tell
the
you
thing
when
is,
you had made me dance and you are so strict. Like, you know, when that whole dance thing was happening, you remember I cried कि रजी में से ये कैसे होगा? So you do that.
I don't purposely do that. It's my face. See, look at my charming face. लोगों को डर लगता है यार
Yeah.
इससे. लोगों
क्योंकि
को डर लगता है. मैं क्या करूं?
क्योंकि suddenly तू serious हो जाता है वो time पे and then suddenly you're like yeah this is not done and then you know we tend to panic. So I've
I
had that
think I
experience.
think
So I
I
agree.
think I have that thing in me. Like I have a lot of patience. It's not that I don't have a lot of patience. I have, but then when it comes to competition, you have to be a little strict. मतलब वो होता है ना कि थोड़ा सा you have to push each other. तो मेरा push कुछ ज्यादा लग गया उसको. रोने लग गई.
Which was the best song that you liked with her that you all did?
We like I like one song we did which was बेदर्दी राजा जरा पास तो आजा. That song she totally killed it because I haven't seen her doing something like that. और मैंने उसको वो कराया और उस टाइम हम लोग बॉटम में आए थे. And everyone was surprised. Like the judges were surprised. Everyone was surprised. Like the way Pooja danced. Like nobody talked about Rajat. वैसे भी मतलब choreographers के बारे में बात तो कम ही करते हैं. But people were like, what did Pooja Banerjee do? And because she was playing Parvati on screen at that time, so for everyone it was a shocker. So that's one song which I will always remember performing with her. She killed it. Bedardi Raja
Bedardi Raja.
from
And then,
Delhi Belly.
okay, so everyone, if you want to see, I think that thing might be online also. Maybe they can search and see the dance performance.
I don't think so. Like Woot had Jhalak Dikla Ja's episodes, but
For a
they have
while,
taken
they
it
did.
off. Yeah, they've taken it off, and I haven't saved any of those. So even I don't
And
have. But yesterday somebody posted something, and I have asked that person, "Ki, can you send me some videos?" Like, yeah, sure.
so everyone all can follow Rajat and maybe he'll soon post those videos and you all can watch it.
Yeah.
Rajit, second season, who was it with you in Jhalak?
Second season was Kavita Kaushik.
Okay, and what is the memories that you have of the second one?
Solid lafda. Solid lafda.
क्या था ये
she's
लफड़ा हमको
like
सुनना है.
she's such a strong, independent woman. So and she was playing a cop. तो वो
FIR,
एक्चुअली बहुत एक्चुअली बहुत स्वीट है वो. कुछ ज्यादा ही स्वीट है. बट वो हमारा ना मतलब ऐसे तू मैं टाइप्स हो जाता था कि मैं उसको कुछ बोलूंगा तो वो नहीं मैंने ऐसे करूंगी. तो मैं बोलता नहीं तुझे ये करना पड़ेगा. तो तू तेरे को करना है तो तू कर मैं नहीं करूंगी. तो वी हैड दिस थिंग. बट लाइक व्हेन इट कम्स टू परफॉर्मिंग ऑन स्टेज एंड बीइंग फ्रेंड्स कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बट व्हेन वाज वर्किंग वाइज हम तू मैं करते थे. बट वो अच्छा है इन अ हेल्दी वे. इट मेड मी push her more and उसने भी survive किया. We did like 6 episodes or something because उसने मुझे बोला था मुझे डांस बिल्कुल नहीं आता. And now if you look at her profile, she is a yogini. She's
Wow.
doing so much of good yoga and she's her like flexibility is at peak. तो मुझे अभी बोलती है काश तू ना ऐसे टाइम में मेरे साथ करता. I could have done everything you wanted. And she says तूने मुझे actually ना लड़की भी बनाया. You know like she was more of the cop zone and I made her do sensuous acts and all. So she's like thank you so much. ने डांस तो सिखाया है उसके साथ साथ मुझे थोड़ा सा ना वो आधा वादा वो सारा कुछ सिखाया. So like बहुत memorable moments है उसके साथ भी.
And कौन सा गाना was your favorite when you all both danced?
I did a first act with her on Jhalak Dikla Ja. I think people still take references from that video. I did Sun Sathiya from ABCD movie and I'd done a sand act. Like I'd done rain of sand. तो बारिश हो रही थी रेत की बारिश में मैंने परफॉर्म किया था. And that was like one act which was creatively very beautiful. Like for visual, it was a visual treat. Dancing to thi, but it was a first act. Like she has never done any competition with male choreographer and stuff like that. तो उसलिए थोड़ा difficult हुआ था उसको. But even if I see it now, I feel good that we did something creative. We did took up the challenge. First episode में मतलब सिक्सर मारने गए हम और काफी हद तक succeed भी हुए. Yeah, so that's one.
She was not even that flexible. And
Yeah. Nothing. No flexibility at all.
And then third was Tanna, Karishma Tanna.
Karishma Tanna, yeah. We had some really great season. I'm like that was the best season as far as the competition was concerned because I went Pooja के साथ इतना episodes, Kavita के साथ इतना, and then I also had Neha Marda with me because second season I got out with Kavita, and then there was a wild card entry. तो
Okay.
मैं वाइल्ड कार्ड में नेहा मर्दा के साथ आया था. But we got out before this semi-finals or something.
Okay. And how was it working with her?
नेहा मर्दा? Good. No stress, nothing. Chill. आना करना.
Any
Because हम
song
बहुत
that
end
you
end में आए
remember?
थे.
Any song sequence?
I did Jia Jale with her because she's good with Indian. तो
Okay.
हमने उसको कथक फ्यूज किया था. And I had done great lifts with her. So because she's a short girl and a
Okay.
petite tiny girl for me, I was like picking up all the acrobats and tricks and lifts I did.
So at least तूने उसको तो गोलू नहीं बुलाया ना, because when you call me गोलू, people wonder कि किसको बुला रहा है.
क्या समझा नहीं मेरा सवाल.
I said you're saying वो petite थी, and you know you would lift her and all of that. So at least तूने उसको गोलू तो नहीं बुलाया ना, because usually when you're calling me गोलू, people around tend to be like, किसको बुला रहा है, क्या कर रहा है?
हमारी अलग स्टोरी है. The reason I call you Golu.
So last तन्ना वाली बता.
तन्ना outstanding. मजा आ गया. The whole experience, like all the acts were amazing. Whatever she did, I think one act which everyone remembers, which is Tip Tip Barsa Pani. There was like a viral video. I don't know.
Yeah,
मैंने
that had gone pretty. Like
the
it was one of the most sensuous Jhalak Dikhla Ja
sensuous
videos that
Jalad
had.
Dikla
Yeah.
Ja act. Yeah. That was one crazy act. हम basically थीम ही वो था कि हीरो हीरोइन करना है. And then हम लोगों ने डिसाइड किया चलो अक्षय और रवीना कर लेते. And the song was very good. और हमने वैसा एक्ट किया भी नहीं था. तो मैंने कहा let's do it.
And so obviously that is your favorite. But besides that, since that was really viral, which is the other song that you really enjoyed with Karisma Tandon?
Anu Samtani is saying, how are you both? It's been so long. Stay safe. Hi
Hey
Anu.
Anu, it's so
You're
nice
very
to
good,
see you on
yaar.
the live chat, and we are good. And hopefully you should come to Singapore soon.
Yeah, man.
Anu, how was your experience working with Raji in Singapore? Did he give you any tough times?
Yash. Okay, so my friend Yash, who's always there when I'm live on Instagram. So basically, guys, Yash is a music composer. His new single, sung by Divya Kumar, is out on YouTube. It's called Banna. So I've put it on my story as well. Please go watch the new single by Divya Kumar, who's a very famous singer. And this guy Yash, who irritates me all the time, he's a music composer of the song. Brilliant song. It's a Indian folk song. It's called Banna. You'll enjoy it.
Okay, so Rajesh, thank you for complimenting me for the neck piece. Thank you so much. And Rajesh is saying that Shami Kapoor hits we should dance on. Then there is Anuj Mishra saying Malang Malang. Vivek Kapoor is saying Tu hai tu मेरी.
बहुत ज्यादा रेट्रो हो रहा है. कुछ
अरे
नए
पर
नए
रेट्रो
सॉन्ग्स भी
होना
दो.
चाहिए ना. हमने तो रेट्रो ही कहा है. नए सॉन्ग पे तुम वो एकदम टफ वाला करो तो तुम करो मलंग मलंग पे. ओ हसीना जुल्फों वाली. See, you're already doing it.
वो गाना बजने लग गया. ओ हसीना जुल्फों वाली जाने जहां.
Okay. Okay, Rajat, which was the first Just Dance ka song that you remember? Like I remember the Pillow one that you had done.
Right.
Which
That
song was that
nobody
on?
remembers the song. Yeah. It's actually the song from Guzarish. ऋतिक की फिल्म थी गुजारिश. उसमें गाना था जाने किसके ख्वाब तकिए के नीचे रात रख जाती है हालांकि नींद नहीं आती है. बहुत मेलोडियस गाना था. मुझे तो बहुत पसंद था. But it's not a very famous song.
And it was
And
the song that did well.
I remember the best song from my show Just Dance was Tija Tera Rang Tha Main To from Chak De, which was again very seen by people and loved by people because it portrayed about the Muslims in India and the tricolor of the flag. It had green, orange, and white, and I was playing a green colored person depicting the Muslims and how they were treated and stuff like that. So it was a very story oriented and conceptualized very well by the choreographers Harshal and Vittal. तो वो एक गाना मुझे हमेशा याद रहेगा.
I remember the pillow one. It was my favorite Guguzarish wala, which you were saying, you know, when
I
you had
remember
taken the
we both
pillow and you had
watching at
done
your
that.
place.
Yeah, because it was like the first show and Anu Samdani कह रही, you guys look all grown up. यार हम बड़े हो गए तब से.
ऑप्शन नहीं है ना, ऑप्शन नहीं है. Did you watch recent Big Boss? No.
So
Sorry.
you take people back to Anu Samdani. She does shows in Singapore, and we had done Raji had done a show. Raji talk about Taj Express that was all there.
Yeah.
Short. Because
Taj
that-
Express actually started, right? Or in 2011, which is directed by Vaibhavi Merchant's sister, Shruti Merchant. And I have done the choreography for the show. जिसका मैं अभी टूर करके आया in America.
And you're performing now in those
I was
shows.
performing, yes. So
it
we met
all started
Anu
with
there.
choreographing. Yeah, that's how we met Anu Samdani in Singapore. And now I've been also telling her, Anu, call us for That's My Girl. Now that we are talking only. But so Raji, you choreographed with Shruti for Taj Express, and you know today you're performing those like those songs and many more. So how's it doing a Broadway?
It's actually the best feeling for any dancer to perform on like we haven't performed yet on Broadway because Broadway is in New York. We have performed in West End. We see when we say Broadway musical because actually Broadway musical is the musicals which plays in Broadway. And we just can't call any musical a Broadway musical. So we did like the first musical which I did, which is called Merchants of Bollywood, which was done by Australian producer and Vaibhavi Merchant choreographed it, and the story is about Vaibhavi Merchant. I toured for 4 years with the show, and I've performed all over the world, and it's a great feeling to go on stage every day performing for different audiences and getting the reaction from them. It's like a blessing for any dancer. तो ये मैंने बहुत किया. उसके बाद then I decided no, I want to do choreography. But then again I was approached by Shruti ki why don't you perform as the main lead for my show Taj Express, and I was like yeah, I'm very happy to do it. Just give me the opportunity, and then there I am on the stage.
And how's it different, you know, doing live? Like, you know, like you've done.
Nishu
so
says we love you. Nishu, I love you too.
Anu says you were awesome and one of the dearest and coolest. And Shweta, I love dearly. Anu, I love you too. Thank you so much. Arman saying hello. It's me, Sudhanshu. Shweta, I like you. Thank you. Okay, Poonam Kaur is saying, Shweta, your makeover has inspired me so much. Thank you so much, guys. I didn't even know I was doing a makeover, but thank you so much. It motivates me to do a lot more. Mangal from Mangal Pandey is another act that you have performed on.
Yeah.
What is about? Tell
yes.
us about this act.
Who wants to know?
Anuj Mishra is talking about Mangal from Mangal Pandey. And he said it's the best act, and Shahid and Rajat sir's performance. कौन सा act है Rajat?
That was in Mangal Pandey, by the way. There was some other act which I did, and yeah, Shahid was the judge. Like he was the chief guest for that particular episode. He had come, and actually I had worked with Shahid before. I had performed with him as a dancer in this movie called Chance Pe Dance, जिसको कोरियोग्राफ करने के लिए जस्टिन टिम्बरलेक का कोरियोग्राफर इंडिया आया था. तो मैंने एक्चुअली काफी सारे काम छोड़ दिए थे ओनली टू वर्क विद जस्टिन्स कोरियोग्राफर बिकॉज जस्टिन टिम्बरलेक वाज माय आइडल, ही इज माय आइडल. तो मेरे को काफी सारे उसके डांसेस आते थे. मतलब जस्टिन के म्यूजिक वीडियोस देख देख के हमने सीखा था टीवी से. यूट्यूब नहीं था वो टाइम पे, था बट पता नहीं था क्या है. एंड या दैट वाज ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस वर्किंग विद जस्टिन टिम्बरलेक्स कोरियोग्राफर व्हिच इज मार्टी कुडेल का. तो मैं जब शाहिद जज आया था एंड देन आई परफॉर्म्ड एंड शाहिद लव्ड इट एंड देन देयर वाज चैट हैपनिंग कि मैंने उनको बताया कि सर मैं आपके साथ में काम किया हूँ एंड ऑल दैट थिंग. तो शाहिद केम एंड वी डांस्ड दैट सेक्शन which we had actually filmed during that song.
And which song was it? If people want to
I did two songs in that film. One is called Give Me One More, but you can't see me because it has 100 dances in it. But there's one song. No, actually, Give Me One More is the name of the song. I don't know what he wants. Give me one more chance. No, no, it's actually Give Me One More. Yeah, I remember. It's Give Me One More Chance for sure. And Marty Kudelka is dancing with me in that sequence. It's like a 30-second small music piece which I have also posted on my Instagram. But if you want to watch it again, go watch it on YouTube. It's called Give Me One More Chance by Shahid Kapoor on Chance Pe Dance Film. तो उसमें एक सीक्वेंस है जहाँ पर शाहिद सेंटर में, and then there's two people splitting with him. One is me and one is Marty Kudelka, which is Justin Timberlake's choreographer.
So done. People go and watch the song.
ये जो मैंने उस जमाने में नहीं बताया था, मैं अब बता रहा हूँ
अब
तुम
बता
लोगों
रहा है
को.
तो तुम जाओ और देखो, लाइक करो और राजी को डीएम करो. If you all want to see him again dance on that song for any of the live sessions to put on Insta. Hi Gautam. Okay, so Dance is asking, did you choreograph in Hindi movies? Yes, he's choreographed a lot of Hindi movies. So Raji, tell us the first Hindi movie that you choreographed.
I did. Thank you, Saurabh. I love you too, मेरे भाई. I did actually a first film called Crazy Cooked Family, but nobody saw it, and it was like a very small budget film and stuff like that. But whatever you do, it जो भी first है.
Beginning to
But beginning तो है, हाँ, exactly. And it was a Prakash Jha production, so it was a great thing for me. And I did Ayushmann Khurrana and Parineeti Chopra's film. पिक्चर का नाम अचानक से भूल गया. The song name is ये जवानी तेरी, 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 जब जीन नहीं देगी, ये जवानी तेरी, ये जवानी. That was my first song.
See, this sounds
ये बहुत
like
अच्छा
retro
रेट्रो
also,
सॉन्ग
so
है.
let's
ये
do on
प्रॉपर
this
प्रॉपर
one.
रेट्रो है ये.
इस पे करते
ये
हैं.
प्रॉपर रेट्रो है. मेरी प्यारी बिंदु, थैंक यू सो मच.
So,
ऐसा होता है,
Nisha
सवाल जवाब
Singh,
के टाइम में ना कभी कभी.
Nisha Mahendra Singh, Raji Shweta, we love you. Nisha, I love you too. Uh,
गोलू तेरे घर पे एसी है ना?
हाँ.
अच्छा अच्छा.
क्यों?
नहीं कुछ नहीं. मैं ना यहाँ बैठा हूँ ऐसे खिड़की के पास में हूँ, पंखा भी चल रहा है, बट मैं अंदर से स्वेट कर रहा हूँ यार पूरा.
तो मेरी एसी डिजिटली वहां तक हवा पहुंचा नहीं रही है ना, तो इसीलिए सिर्फ
बिल्कुल भी
वहां
नहीं.
तक ये हो रहा है.
मैं तो ऐसे I do work with you in Taj Express. Prathamesh.
Kelly Dunya, looking pretty. Shweta, thank you so much. Okay, so Prathamesh 22 has worked with you in Taj Express preparation.
Okay, Prathamesh, that was nice. I don't remember, but if you have done something, you've been a part of it, thank you so much. That process we've really enjoyed of making the show. Somebody
Besides
asked
Taj
me.
Express, Raji, you have also done now another Broadway, right? Another musical, Chota
Yes,
Bheem.
and the musical. Yes,
So
yes, yes.
tell us about Chota Bheem, because that's a total kids thing, and you know how was it with kids and
Right,
all about
right.
Chota Bheem.
So we started making the show last year from Feb, and we succeeded to put up few shows. We did Ahmedabad and we did Mumbai. So Chota Bheem is a famous Indian cartoon character which you all must be knowing, and great mentor, great leader, and super great human being. That's Avi
That I
Pokhriyal. That's
totally
Abhishek.
agree with you,
That is
Avi
that
Pokhriyal.
is our Bheem. That is our Bheem's main lead speaking. And I had a great team of actors and dancers, and everyone who's associated with Chota Bheem. They were all amazing. लॉकडाउन के कारण हम सब घर पे हैं, इसलिए छोटा भीम भी आराम कर रहा है, लड्डू खा रहा है, बॉडी बना रहा है. तो सी इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल शो. इट्स जस्ट लाइक हाउ यू वॉच अलादीन और ब्यूटी एंड द बीस्ट, क्योंकि उसके साथ डिज्नी का नाम जुड़ा है तो लोग ज्यादा करके जाते हैं. व्हाट आई रियलाइज्ड इज इन इंडिया म्यूजिकल्स की इतनी वैल्यू है नहीं, but you have no idea the amount of hard work which goes on to making a show like Chota Bheem or any other musical. It's day in day out. It's a lot of hard work, months and months of rehearsals, months and months of scripting, acting, directing the whole play, putting everything together. There's a lot of props which comes on stage. उसकी designing ये वो. There's so many things which is involved. But लोगों को क्या है ना 1,000 रुपए खर्चा करके थिएटर में जाके मूवी देखेंगे, बट दे डोंट वांट टू स्पेंड दैट मच ऑफ अमाउंट लाइक 500 रुपीज और जाके लाइव थिएटर में लोगों को लाइव परफॉर्म करते हुए देखें, विच इज रियली सैड. आई थिंक पीपल शुड, बट अगर कोई अमेरिकन कंपनी या कहीं से आएगी, दे विल स्पेंड मनी, बट दे डोंट वांट टू स्पेंड टू सी मनी. अपने यहाँ के लोगों को जो आत्मनिर्भर वाला जो बात हुआ है, वो अपनी चीजें खरीदो, अपनी चीजें देखो. तो आई सीरियसली फील दैट पीपल शुड गो एंड वॉच anything which is being made here, which has dance, music, acting, comedy or whatever. Like हमारे लोग जब तक हमारे लोगों से प्रशंसा what do you call, like appreciation नहीं मिलेगी, तब तक कैसे आगे बढ़ेंगे? They just wait for people to come on television, become famous, and then they will go, oh, हम जाएंगे देखने के लिए इसके लिए, because ये उस शो में आया, ये उस शो का famous है. Guys, there is so many talented people who's not been on television. और कुछ लोग तो ऐसे हैं जो टेलीविजन के शोज में जाके पहले 4 राउंड में आउट हो जाते हैं, बट दे आर रियली रियली टैलेंटेड. सो मेरी ये दरख्वास्त है कि वही सेम कि प्लीज शोज. हाँ, आई रिमेम्बर वॉचिंग श्वेता. सो श्वेता डिड अ शो कॉल्ड दैट्स माय गर्ल. शी इज एवरीवन्स गर्ल. दैट्स माय गर्ल. आई वाज सो प्राउड टू सी यू ऑन स्टेज. The way she performed, the way she acted, I had never seen her doing things like that. I know she's a multi-talented girl, but see, and I saw a lot of people who came for it, and they all were in awe. हमें हर ऐसे आर्ट को actually support करना चाहिए.
Thank you,
Especially dancing shows, acting shows बहुत होते हैं. पृथ्वी थिएटर में होता है, यहाँ होता है, अलग अलग थिएटर्स में होते हैं, कालिदास, भाईदास. बट उसका ना एक इतना होता है, वो इतना होता है, उसमें भी मेहनत होती है. बट व्हेन यू से अ म्यूजिकल, इट्स एक्चुअली वेरी बिग. देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल बैक स्टेज, देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल रिलेटेड टू द शो. उतना हार्ड वर्क. और जब हम लोग देखते हैं ना ऐसे ऑडियंस में बहुत कम लोग आए, आई फील रियली सैड. यही चीज मैं जब टूर के लिए जाता हूँ विद माई शो ताज एक्सप्रेस और मर्चेंट्स ऑफ बॉलीवुड, आई सी खचाखच पब्लिक भरा हुआ. लाइक वी सोल्ड आउट शोज एवरीवेयर. आई हैव सीन thousands people standing up and applauding for a Indian show which is gone abroad, and people die to watch that, but apne yahan pe nahi. So that's one thing I feel sad.
So
I don't know what are you talking about. I have seen full pack houses in CLC. What is this? What is CLC? It's me, Sudhanshu. Can you please elaborate that? What is CLC?
Okay, so Raji, which was the first project that you started as an assistant? When you started
My
your
first
career
song
as
is from Tashan. It had Saif Ali Khan and Akshay Kumar and Kareena Kapoor. The song was white to white face dekhe dilwa beating fast ससुरा dance मारे रे. बहुत धमाल आया था. लद्दाख में शूट करने गया था मैं, पहली बार असिस्टेंट कोरियोग्राफर बन गया. कुछ पता नहीं कैसा होता है. टिल देन आई हैव डांस्ड एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट, बट बीइंग एन असिस्टेंट कोरियोग्राफर इट्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट थिंग. And especially on shooting, like you've danced, you've done your dancing, you've done stage shows, different. Shooting is totally another ball game. If you don't know anything, you're screwed. And it happened to me, it happens to everyone, but that's how you learn. एक तो लद्दाख, वहाँ पर ठंड थी, धूप थी, सब साथ में थी, और because it was on a height, the oxygen level was low, so there were people fainting and this and that, but it was a crazy experience.
You've also worked with the most energetic Ranveer Singh.
He's saying comedy show, bro. If you have listened to what I was talking the whole time, you will come to know. सुधांशु मेरे भाई, कॉमेडी शो में लोग भी कम रहते हैं और वो उतना ही होता है. Anyways, moving on.
So you worked with all the actors. Like if I start naming them, ऐसे list मतलब चलती जाएगी, because there are so many actors that you know you've worked with. So tell us छोटा experiences with everyone. छोटी.
Give me some actors' names,
Okay,
so I
let's
can
start with
फटाफट
Ranveer
say.
Singh.
Brother, mind blowing. मतलब he's like a friend to me, he's like a brother to me.
The song
वो
that
मुझसे
you
बड़ा है,
love,
लेकिन वो मुझे बड़ा बोलता है. Just to be,
the song you
know,
love choreographing with him and being a part of.
नशे से चढ़ गई.
Which is from
नशे से चढ़ गए बेफिक्रे.
Basically, Vani, since we are on one music.
वानी सेम थिंग. वानी के साथ एक्चुअली नशे से चढ़ गए का एक क्लाइमैक्स ट्रैक है जिसमें दोनों बहुत डांस करते हैं, बहुत मतलब बहुत डांस करते हैं. वो उसको सिखाने का जो एक जिम्मेदारी थी हम पे. वी डिड रिहर्स फॉर लाइक गुड 1 month विथ वानी. When I started teaching her, she couldn't understand what beats is, what music is, what is the timing that I'm catching, what we've choreographed on what timing. But towards the end, she used to tell me, "Arey, this comes on this, na this comes on." So that means उसको उतना समझ में आ गया. That is one thing I love about her. She's a very hardworking girl. Hardworking girl.
SRK.
SRK, bro. PlayStation. Nights and
Uh,
nights of PlayStation in London.
and favorite song?
Uh, which I worked on is Ishq Shava.
Yeah. All songs
Ishq
that I asked you,
Shava.
favorite song is
Yeah.
the song that we worked
Yeah.
on. Which movie?
जब तक है जान.
Oh yeah. Okay, so next Katrina.
कटरीना कमली. नी मैं
Anushka?
कमली नी मैं कमली. Anushka, I love her in एवे लुट गया. Because the way she has performed in that song, the expression especially, she's actually वो कहते हैं ना पी गई है वैभवी मर्चेंट को. वो स्पेशली दैट लाइन व्हेन शी सेज चाय में डूबा. नहीं दैट्स रणवीज लाइन. शी सेज गुड़ देखा मक्की जैसा फिट हो गया. अनबिलीवेबल.
Hello Rasna. Salman Bhai. The next name.
भाई स्वैग से करेंगे सबका स्वागत. ब्रो भाई तो एक्चुअली सब गाना किल कर रहे थे.
Amir Khan.
आमिर खान. I did work with him on Doom 3. तो मलंग मलंग दम
Hrithik
मलंग
Roshan.
मलंग दम मलंग मलंग. ऋतिक के साथ मैंने गाना किया है वो है एक ही जो है सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी किरने है सांसों में हाथों में रोशनी. But I love him in everything that he does. No, wait, hold on. I was a dancer on मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ. तो डेफिनेटली मैं ऐसा क्यों.
Tiger Shroff.
टाइगर श्रॉफ के साथ मैंने अभी तक काम नहीं किया है तो मे बी जब
Okay.
करूंगा तो आई विल हैव अ आंसर टू दैट.
Shahid.
शाहिद चांस पे डांस.
Hi Mariam.
which I have worked because which I have worked. That's what. नहीं तो ऐसे तो बहुत अच्छे अच्छे गाने हैं भाई के.
Yeah. We want to know with what you enjoy
With
working
what
with
I
them
have
or
done. Yeah.
yes. Ayushman obviously.
He's so sweet. He's such a humble person. He's like a brother friend वाला zone है. बहुत सही बंदा है. Because he was my he was hosting the show Just Dance. And he didn't
Okay.
become an actor at that time. He wasn't an actor. तो Just Dance के टाइम में हमारी बॉन्डिंग बहुत अच्छी थी. हम जितने भी कंटेस्टेंट्स थे and आयुष्मान, we used to chill and talk and ऐसा कुछ करना चाहिए. अब इसके बाद ये करना चाहिए. And then his film came. फिर हम मिले अवार्ड नाइट्स में. मैंने उसको कुछ सिखाया था तो ही वाज लाइक कि ब्रो वी शुड वर्क टुगेदर. एंड ही स्टार्टेड एक्चुअली pushing for me for some film that he did, but it didn't work out. The budgets didn't work out and stuff like that. But फिर हम लोग collaborate करे for मेरी प्यारी बिंदु, and he was very happy to see me and be associated with me, and he was like, bro, I'm very excited and this
So
and that.
finally
But
वो चीज आगे जाके हो ही गई. The
हो ही
intention of
गई.
that
और
time did
जो
happen.
या 100% वो तो होना ही है. भले थोड़ा लेट होता है लेकिन वो होता ही है.
Hello
आयुष्मान के
Nasir
साथ
bhai.
मेरा सेम थिंग वही. ये जवानी तेरी
Okay, so
जब
Mariam
झूले
is
नहीं
asking, will
तोड़ती.
we see any dance moves?
Not
So
today. Today is not the dancing day. It's the
talking
chill
there.
talking session day. डांस के लिए अलग से आना पड़ेगा आपको.
Varun Dhawan.
Varun Dhawan, I did work with him on Student of the Year, first part, his first film, and we did 2 songs in that film. We did Amanda Kukkad Kamal da dang 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 Amanda Kukkad Kamal, and there's one more song in that film. It was like Hey Shanaya, Ho Shanaya. So both
Alia.
the songs, Alia, yeah. It was, I think, Alia's introduction song or something, but Varun was playing most of the dance in that. तो वो
Ranbir
दोनों गाने
Kapoor.
रणबीर कपूर के साथ haven't done much, but I just recently shot something with Alia and Ranbir for ब्रह्मास्त्र. तो अभी तक गाना आया नहीं है, तो मैं उसको कुछ बोल नहीं सकता.
But what was the experience like shooting with both of them?
Beautiful, professionals. Alia knows me because I worked with her on Student of the Year. रणबीर के साथ मैं फर्स्ट टाइम काम कर रहा था. It was a night shoot and we were on the banks of वाराणसी. जो बोट वोट है वहां पर काफी अच्छा सेटअप था उसका.
When is
नॉर्मल
the
बातचीत.
next dance session? Somebody's asking.
When is my next dance session? I'm planning on that only, but I'll let you know all the details soon. I'll be posting it. Why you like Melvin Lewis? सुधांशु,
Why?
आप प्रेस से हो क्या? बहुत सवाल पूछ रहे हो. Yeah, I definitely like him. Why would I not like him? बोलो.
Then who else have you worked? Priyanka Chopra.
Priyanka Chopra. We did Dawn 2 and I think वही प्रियंका के साथ जब भी मैंने काम किया तो मैं था नहीं for any film shoot. I hardly remember anything which I worked with
Your
her.
favorite, Noora Fateh.
But I've done. अरे all the work which I've done with her is amazing.
Which
But I
was
think
the first one?
Pepeta. First one is we both did a dance video on this song called Wine and Koch, and that is the first time when we danced on Instagram and maybe YouTube and stuff like that. उसने बहुत 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 मेरे को पुश किया ये करने के लिए. मैं was like नहीं मुझे नहीं करना. But yeah, it worked well and worked really good for her also.
Deepika Padukone.
भाभी जी के साथ अभी तक नहीं काम करे हैं हम.
और कौन रह गया जो रह गया जिनके साथ आपने काम नहीं किया या मैं नाम लेना भूल गई हूँ with whom you worked and
अभी मैंने रिसेंटली मैंने अनन्या पांडे और ईशान खट्टर के साथ एक काम किया है.
No, he's not married, Himanshu. He's single.
No, I'm not.
Kareena Kapoor.
करीना कपूर इज दैट वो वाइट फेस देके जब मैंने उनका फर्स्ट शॉट देख लिया था एक्सप्रेशंस के साथ मैं उधर ही पागल हो गया. मैंने कहा बाप रे इतना सारा एक्सप्रेशन 4 लाइन में. अमेजिंग.
Okay, Raji. If after lockdown, what is the first thing you want to do?
I want to go and shoot यार.
It doesn't sound right.
Missing the sets. Shoot as in shoot a song, rehearse, go to the rehearsal hall, rehearse, and like how we talk. यार shoot करना है. It doesn't mean go and shoot somebody.
आजकल हमें बहुत केयरफुल रहना चाहिए जब हम कुछ बोल रहे रिकॉर्ड पे.
हाँ ना कुछ भलता है. I want to shoot. किसको?
Exactly.
नहीं I want to go to the rehearsal hall, dance and shoot some songs. Kartik Aaryan I haven't worked with, so maybe when the lockdown opens up, I will. But I actually specific mention करना है मेरे को आयुष शर्मा and Varina because we worked on the full film of Love Yatri. They both are really good as newcomers and the new generation people. Hardworking, brilliant.
That you just did from Navratri, that one song जो गरबा का है.
चौगाड़ा तारा, चांदीला तारा, रंगीला तारा, रंग दे जुए तारी बात रे. Yes, Isha Khan, I love cricket. Do you watch Carrie Minati video before it was removed? Yes, Sudhanshu.
Oh, you did?
The interview reporter, yes, of course, yes. The day it was like the whole thing was hyped and this and that and I was like कौन है ये क्या है ये मैं भी देख लेता हूँ मुझे भी पता होना चाहिए हो क्या रहा है. मैंने actually हाँ मतलब then the whole night I was only watching Carrie Minati's videos whatever he has posted before. As I said I'm not a social media person so I don't know half the things which is happening. तो मैंने काफी उसके बारे में पढ़ा and then I got to know that because वो थोड़ा निकाल दिया है उसको. But TikTok के स्टार रेटिंग्स में भी कम हो रहे हैं which is good.
So before we wind up, Raji, which is your favorite medium? Theater, shoot, ad? What do you like the most? Like first, second, third, वैसे बताओ.
See, stage for me will always be my first love because live performing live on stage, and that light comes on your face, you perform, and you hear live audience clapping for you. That's some other high.
Yeah.
उसका एक
That's
अलग ही
a
feeling है.
different feeling only
Yeah,
when
yeah,
you
yeah,
have
yeah.
the
You
audience.
can't actually express that feeling. Then when you shoot something, when you like you shoot a music video or any dance sequences, that feeling of sitting on that monitor, when you make things happen, when you make the whole song look good, that is another feeling which you can't describe. So performing stage is first. Second is choreographing or directing the whole thing. That is second.
And you
And then
lately also shot ads and all, right?
yeah.
Musical.
So
So
ads, music videos,
music
and
and all
songs
of
from
that.
movies is all like one feel. क्योंकि ad में इतना ज़्यादा होता नहीं है. 1 minute का ad होता है तो maybe there is 30 second का something. But I did an ad with Nora now recently for Go Noise headphones. उसमें पूरा dance था, like start to end she was dancing.
So before we sign out, one, thank you for
Mm-hmm.
coming live with us, and we're looking forward for live sessions. So once you have
Yes.
your live sessions, please do upload about it so that we can also come and
I
dance.
will.
Okay, before we go, Harshi Simrat is asking, have you worked with Vicky Kaushal?
Vicky Kaushal, no, I haven't yet. My
Okay.
Georgian fan is saying hi. Yeah, do you like to sleep? What kind of a question is that? Who doesn't like to sleep?
Thank you,
Do you know how to
Sudhanshu.
play?
He can play
Okay.
PS a lot. He's addicted to PS. Besides that,
Yeah.
what are you talking about
Yes.
playing?
Yes. अच्छा, Sudhanshu is saying I'm a fan of Shweta a lot. Thank you, Sudhanshu. उसका fan रहना हमेशा.
Okay, Raji. So before we sign out, dedicate one song to us that you would like to tell all your fans right now. A song that you've choreographed. वो गाना तुझे गाना पड़ेगा गाने.
गाना गाना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, क्योंकि अभी तू
बताना
डांस
गाना
सिखा नहीं
गाना
रहा है
बताना
ना.
गाना बताना पड़ेगा बेसिकली.
नहीं गाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि या तो तुझे डांस मूव करना पड़ेगा तो साइन ऑफ या तो
नहीं डांस
गाना
मूव
गाना
तो नहीं हो
पड़ेगा.
पाएगा अभी.
तो एग्जैक्टली फिर गाना पड़ेगा. Choice is yours. Hello. There's no pillow.
जाना पड़ेगा. Hi Serai, what's up bro? You are a big fan. Thank you so much. I love you.
Oh.
Serai is like my very good friend. बस टांग खींचो अपनी. Dress it up. Yo, what's up? कौन सा गाना बोलो? कौन सा गाना है जो
Which you can dedicate to all your fans who come live for you.
नचो सारे जी फाड़ के, हिल हिल के नाचो नाचो, हिल डुल के नाचो नाचो. सुबह उठो, हिलो डुलो, नाचो नाचो. रात हो गया, हिलो डुलो, नाचो नाचो.
अरे रणवीर सिंह क्या बोल रहे ले रजी दबा.
ओहो मेरा बा,
Oh,
मेरा
welcome. You have just made our
भाई
live
रणवीर
chat
सिंह,
exciting.
मेरा भाई. भाई के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. भाई आ रहे ले अपने लाइव पे.
So now that he's come, we can't sign out immediately. Something about him.
No, of course. Just ask something about him.
So thank you for coming live. Tell us which is your favorite song that you all both enjoyed dancing on together.
भाग गया रहेगा.
भाई भाग गेले.
भाई भाग गेले. भाई खाली आके झलकी देके भाग गए. But thank you यार.
Thank you so much Ranveer Singh for coming. Oh, it's back.
चेहरा चमक रहा है रज्जी का. और भाई तुम्हारी बॉडी का क्या? Actually तेरे after reading your comment, face और ज्यादा ग्लो हो गया.
सबका ग्लो हो रहा है. हर फैन का भी ग्लो हो रहा है.
एवे.
That is true, Ranveer Singh. We love that song, and then Raji had shown us the song for the first time. And when I met you at Taj Express, also the energy you have is kick-ass. Huge fan of yours. Raji, एक बार एवे step कर दे.
Of course अभी तो करना पड़ेगा भाई आ गया.
करना पड़ेगा. You have to show the dance move.
तो तू भी करेगी साथ में.
मैं डांस नहीं कर सकती
ओ
हूँ
मैं
यार।
तो है भैया 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 भाई लुट गया, ओ मैं तो है भैया 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 भाई लुट गया, ओ मैं तो है भैया 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 भाई लुट गया, ओ मैं तो है भैया 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 भाई लुट गया। ब्रा भाई के लिए बहुत सारा प्यार।
So thank you everyone for coming live and thank you Ranveer Singh. Thanks to you he showed us the dance move जो हम बोल बोल के थक गए and otherwise you were not dancing. So
I
thank
would
you
have
so much.
not done that. So
Yeah, so
thank you
thanks to
बाबा।
him that the dance
अच्छा
move
देखा,
happened.
सिंगिंग एंड डांसिंग बोथ हो गया साथ में।
हाँ, thanks to him.
थैंक्स टू
And
मिस्टर रणवीर बाबा।
I think रजी ये गाने पे लाइव सेशन होना चाहिए.
लव यू
What say
बाबा।
Ranveer Singh? Shouldn't he do a live session on this song of yours?
ऑन एवे एवे एक्चुअली।
Yeah, see, he's saying हाँ रजी की
रज्जी का चेहरा देख के दिल
चेहरा
खुश हो
देख के
गया।
दिल खुश हो गया.
हाय बाबा, हाय बाबा।
इसकी पहले इसकी खुशी और बढ़ जाए और ये हमें
भाई
भूल
गाल
जाए
बाहर
हम
जा रहा
अभी.
है। गाल यहाँ से यहाँ बाहर जा रहा है।
So thank you so much for coming live and we are going to do a live
थैंक यू
session
श्वेता।
next Ranveer Singh on your song Ewe Ewe. Raji, looking forward for the video so that we all can go
Yes,
live.
Baba, so when I'm doing a live session, you'll have to come online and I'm gonna put you live और एक अपन 4 स्टेप दिखाएंगे लोगों को, है ना? तो ये डन करते।
ये डन हो गया. यहाँ हमने
ये
सेव
डन
कर
करते।
दिया और इस पे हम डांस करेंगे.
Done. Superb. So
And
thank you everyone. Thank you Shweta for this lovely chat session. और जल्दी मिलते हैं क्वारंटाइन खत्म होते ही।
see you soon. तब तक हम डांस करते हुए
तू ये लाइव
connected.
सेव करना
Yes. Everyone, you all
क्योंकि
can go
मैं
on
नहीं कर सकता।
IGTV and watch the thing further. Also on the YouTube channel Shweta Roy Rao. And stay tuned for more live sessions with Raji and many more.
करेक्ट
Bye
करेक्ट बोला
bye.
इसाक खान ने। बाय।